Hello and welcome. I am Tahir and in this video I will show you how to customize MX Linux. So we will see tweak tools, panel settings, desktop settings and fonts. If you right click anywhere on the desktop you will see different options. You can create launcher and you can create folder documents. You can also open terminal and you also have some other options. But the important one is arrange desktop icons and desktop settings. If you click on desktop settings, the first option is for wallpaper. You can easily change wallpaper. There are many wallpapers available. You can choose any wallpaper of your choice. I prefer the dark one. So you can choose whatever you like. Here you can see folder option. You can select your folder if you want to use your own images. You also have options for colors and you can check or uncheck this option apply to all workspaces. You can also check this option change the background automatically select a different background from the current direction. Then we have menus and icon options, so you can change the size of icons very easily. And we have icon types, file launcher icons, minimized applications, and none. If you want to hide some desktop items, you can very easily hide them. Or if you want to show them, just check these boxes. I personally prefer home and trash folder to be visible all the time. Now you can close this one. Now if you go to start menu, simply search for panel and you can customize the panel. We have options for vertical and horizontal settings. The default option is vertical, but I prefer horizontal. You can also lock this panel. You can also automatically hide the panel. You can do it intelligently or always, but I prefer never option. Then we have option to change the size of panel. So it's up to you. You can also change the number of rows. I prefer one. And you can change the length of your panel as well. Under appearance, you can see style. You can choose the solid color and background image, but I prefer the none option. And then we have icons. You can see we have a lot of icons here. The first one is whisker menu, this one, and you can see action buttons at the last. You can change the settings as well. We also have separator option. If you click on separator, and now you can click on this menu icon to see more options. You can expand this one. Just focus on this section. If I uncheck this, you can see normal spacing, but if I expand this you can see we have a lot of space here. For the styles we have dots, handle, separator and transparent option, but I prefer dots. Now I'm going to close this one. You can also add new panel or you can change more settings. We can also change fonts for our system. You can see I am using custom font here, but you can use any font you like. So you simply go to start menu and search for tweak tool and you can see MX tweak. You can see the option for panel. You can also display panel vertically on the left or right, anywhere you like. And you can see we have updated our panel. You can choose the location or you can choose display panel horizontally and you can choose location from bottom and top. I like bottom. Now I can apply settings. We have some other options for panel settings. Then we go to theme. So you can choose any theme you like. We have MX Dark, MX Light. I'm going to apply the settings, and now you can see we have a light theme. If you like dark theme like me, you can choose this one, MX Dark, and simply apply. I prefer dark theme. Now here you can see finish Firefox may require a restart for changes to take effect. So if you will check this option, Firefox will also use the dark theme. Even Chrome will also use the dark theme if you will check this option. Then we have compositor, config options, and some other settings. So let me show you. If you will sorry, if you will enable this option, enable mounting of internal drives by non-root users. If you go to File Manager, you can see this is an NTFS partition, and now I can click on this to open this one because I have checked this option. If you will uncheck this option, every time you will try to open this drive, you will have to enter your password. So that's why I have enabled this. Next, under XFCE settings, you can click on the panel to view panel settings that we saw earlier. Then we have window manager. So you can see we have a lot of options. We can choose the fonts and title alignment. Now you can see right alignment and center and left. You can also choose the font for your title. If you prefer bold, you can choose bold, or you can also choose bold or italic. Let's apply this one, and now you can see we have bold and italic. But I prefer bold. You can also choose theme, any of the available themes. You can see the live preview. I like dark theme. Then we have keyboard settings, focus, and some advanced settings. If you go to appearance, you can choose from available themes. Let me open the file manager. Now you can see the live preview of available themes. So you can choose any of the available themes. You can choose your favorite icons as well. Under the font settings, you can change the fonts. I am using Caviar Dreams. You can choose any of the available fonts. Now you can see font has been changed. I prefer this one, Caviar Dreams. Under settings, you can choose toolbar style for icons, text, text under icons, and some other options. I prefer icons. And for menus and buttons, you can show images on buttons. And you can show images in menus. You can check or uncheck this option. You can also enable event sounds. So this is how you can change fonts using the MX Tweak tools. Under the MX tools, we also have MX tools options. Let me show you. If we go to, yes, under the MX tool, we have MX Tweak tool that we saw recently, and then we have MX tools option. If you go to MX tools, you can see all the settings. You can also open the Tweak tool from here. And now you can change settings for your panel, theme, and other options. So this is how you can easily customize your MX Linux installation. Thank you very much for watching this video.